everyone, happy Vlogoween day one. I don't know how much I'm gonna actually be vlogging, but I'm gonna try my best. I'm about to go to work, so I don't really think I'll have too much interesting stuff to show, but I wanted to kind of give out this vlogging thing for Vlogoween a try and see what I think about it. Alright, so I'm on my lunch break now. Nobody else is in the office, so it's a little bit less awkward to vlog when no one's here. But like I started saying earlier, I've never really done vlogging before, and this feels kind of weird. I'm just gonna be vlogging on my phone and stuff, so I don't have like an actual like camera around, because that's just kind of weird. But I'm actually gonna be going out of town this weekend, and I don't know what really kind of like, I don't know, spurred on me to want to do like vlogging and stuff, just because I've never done it. And I don't know, to me it's just kind of like awkward, and at times I feel like I'm like starting YouTube all over again, because it's just different when you're like out in your like real life, like filming videos in public and stuff like that. So anyway, I thought I'd just kind of like try this out, and hey, maybe I'll never even upload this, so we'll see. But yeah, I'm pretty much just on my lunch break right now, and like I was saying, I'm gonna be out of town all weekend. It's actually my birthday weekend. I'm gonna be 27 on Sunday. That's disgusting. But so yeah, I'm gonna just go spend the weekend with my boyfriend after I get off work tonight, and yeah, so like I said, he knows I have a YouTube channel, but he's never like watched any of my videos and stuff like that, so I don't know if he's gonna be like down with me like filming around him, or if I'm even going to want to. But yeah, so that's kind of what I'm gonna be up to. So yeah, this is gonna be a really new experience. It might be a little boring, I don't know. I really just don't know yet, because I don't know what I'm going to be doing or what I'm going to be filming. But yeah, so this is my birthday weekend, and so actually Sunday is my actual birthday. So yeah, I don't really have any big plans or anything, and not that I could do much anyway with COVID and everything. But yeah, so yeah, I feel so awkward, I don't even know what to do, but I'm just gonna have a lunch now, and hopefully get through the rest of this work day smoothly. Another thing I've been working on is just kind of coming up with like a cute little thumbnail for the video. I haven't put in like the new picture or anything. Oh, and you can see me, how awkward. But anyway, so I'm gonna be working on this over my lunch break, coming up with a cute little thumbnail. I just use like this template that I use for all of mine and just save over it. So yeah, this is what I'm working with so far. I'm gonna come up with something a little bit cuter and replace all the images from my last thumbnail. Okay, so I'm just refilming this clip. I put this clip in my editing software, and my phone case was accidentally covering the microphone, so hopefully this will sound a little bit better. So this is actually my soap company that I've started, and I've added some new soap. So I have a few new ones here. This one is a berry macaroon confetti soap. I love how that one turned out. It looks so pretty. And then this one is like my Halloween soap inspired by Haunted Mansion. The colors of this one I feel like just worked out so well, and like the ghostly kind of swirl to it is beautiful, so that one is probably my favorite one. These are all kind of designed as like a set to go together. So they are inspired by Pocky, the Japanese little treats. I love those so much, and I thought this would be really cute. So I did a matcha Pocky, did a strawberry Pocky, and then the last one here is the chocolate one. It smells so good. And this boba tea one is actually one of my best-selling soaps. You can see how many people have it in the cart. I actually only have one of these left, so if you are interested in trying any of my soap, yeah, I have a whole bunch of soaps for sale. And yeah, I just wanted to throw this in here really quick because I was working on some thumbnails for these. I do have, I think, like 1 or 2 more to put up that I will probably do next week. But yeah, that is my soap company. If you want to look it up on Etsy, it is called the Velvet Soap Co. All right, I am leaving work. These are the only sunglasses I have left in my car. They are not my favorite, but they will do. But anyway, oh, I'm so glad. Okay, I don't work Fridays at this time of year, so it's so nice having Fridays off. But now I am going to drive to my boyfriend's. It's probably going to be about an hour-and-a-half drive, but I am ready to go and relax. I haven't seen him in like over 2 weeks. So I'm ready to go and celebrate my birthday with him this weekend. Like I said, I don't really think we're doing much. I think we're just kind of chilling, and probably just going to be hanging out at his house for most of the weekend, but that is fine with me. I'm very low-key and very ready to go. But yeah, so I'm just going to I don't really know if I have anything to talk about, really. Usually I try to think of like some kinds of topics to talk about in vlogs, but honestly I just don't have much to talk about, which is probably why I would be the world's worst vlogger ever. But if I think of anything, I will try to I guess come up with something to film. Like I said, I don't know why I decided all of a sudden just to want to vlog or like try vlogging, mainly just because I haven't had a whole lot of time to create content for my YouTube channel lately. So it's pretty much just been like, well, pretty much the main thing that has been taking up a lot of my time is of course my two little side businesses that I do with making soaps and making stickers. I have really loved doing all of that, but it really does take up a lot of time. So I'm just trying to like get better about, I don't know, just like getting everything on the same page. I knew that was gonna happen. Okay, so I'm finally off the interstate. Now I've got about 40 more minutes of just back country road highway kind of drive the rest of the way there. The one thing I don't like about driving with my boyfriends is like, okay, I love the first half because it's just like, you know, interstate, 40 minutes, pretty straightforward. And then it's like gets all curvy once I get off the interstate, and it's just not fun driving, especially at night. I used to back when I was working two jobs, I would literally go work all day full-time at my day job, and then I'd go work like a 3-hour shift at my night job and get off work about 7:30-ish, and then I would go drive in the middle of the night to my boyfriend's house, an hour and a half away. And I used to do this like scary drive through the night, and I remember there was this one time I was driving and it was just pouring, it was pitch black, I couldn't see, the roads were really like really slippery, and I'm pretty sure like 3 deer ran in front of me, and it scared the absolute shit out of me. I am not a very confident driver. Well, I don't know, I think I'm a good driver, but I'm not a very aggressive driver and stuff, so especially if I'm in like traffic, that really triggers my anxiety and stuff. But also I don't like driving at night, I don't like driving like unfamiliar places. I'm just super crazy when it comes to driving and stuff. So it's so funny that now that I'm with my boyfriend, I do like so much driving now just to like go see him and stuff, and vice versa. And I literally like would never drive anywhere, but about 40 more minutes and then I will get to see him. So yeah. The other thing I really love about though this drive is it's so pretty, especially during the fall time, like when all the leaves are changing and all the like leaves are falling and stuff. It just looks so pretty, especially since he lives by a really pretty lake. It's like just absolutely gorgeous. So that's one of the things I don't mind about this drive, is at least I get to see the beautiful lake. One thing I really love about my boyfriend's house is just how peaceful his driveway is. It's like all wooded, so nice. It kind of like feels like you're driving up to a cottage, and I never get over it, but I just love the little driveway all the way up to his house. Hey everyone, so I forgot to end the vlog last night. Basically after I got here, we just did a little bit of grocery shopping for dinner, and came back and we cooked some fried potatoes. They were so good, and some garlic noodles, and grilled some steaks, and it was so good. We also had a little bit of salad with it too. So, but yeah, so that was it for day one. Like I mentioned, I didn't really kind of like want to film around like my boyfriend and stuff, and maybe I'll get more comfortable by the end of Vlogoween. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the first day.